Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good and keeping good care of yourself. So class 3 today, in this video we will be doing, first we will revise just check the answers of the questions that I gave you in my previous video, and after checking these question and answers and the homework, we will proceed with our today's class. Okay, so let's begin with the first question, that is question number 1. Define the following terms. So I told you in the previous videos also that the define the following terms definitions are at the back of the chapter. Like this, here the chapter finishes on page number 25, and then on page number 26 you can see here these are the what these are the definitions, okay, which the words I gave you, these words, you have to write the meaning from here only. Okay, so first one you have done. Now then, coming on question number 2, this is what are the three kinds of transport, give two examples of each. I told you the three kinds of transport are land transport, and the example of land transport are car, bus. You can write any other examples also. Number 2 is water transport, and the examples of water transport are ship and boat. Then third is air transport, and the example of air transport are aeroplane and helicopter. Now question number 3, which road transport? We are asking about the road transport that can carry maximum number of people, not land transport. The question is about road transport. So few children, they have written train. Train is correct, but that will be for land transport, not for road transport. Train, okay, train will not come. Bus will come. Bus can carry maximum number of people. Okay, bus is the road transport. Okay, then third, fourth comes who brings in maximum information about moon, stars and other planets. I told you who gives us information about the moon, stars and other planets, about the space. Astronauts. Yes, astronauts brings in maximum information about moon, stars and other planets. Then question number 5 was why should we walk for shorter distances? I told you for shorter distances we should walk. Why should we walk? We should walk for shorter distances to reduce global warming. I told you because of the pollution that comes from the smoke of the vehicles, smoke from vehicles that pollute the environment, and due to which what happens, the global warming is it's increasing, global warming. Okay, so just to reduce global warming we should walk for shorter distances. Okay, so these are the homework which I gave you in the previous video. Now the question number 6 was to draw and color the true land transport. Now any land transport you have to draw, whether it is car, bus, motor vehicle, motor bike, or any other car, whatever or truck, okay, and van, whatever you like, you have to draw only any two land transport, and then after that you have to color it as well. Okay, so let's start our today's class from page number 26. Page number 26, the first question is tick the correct option. Okay, so question number 1 is tick the correct option. Number A is reed boats near Lake Titicaca are also known as. It was in page number 24. Good to know. Now 7,000-year-old remains of reed boats. The remains of reed boats that was 7,000 years old. They were found near Lake Titicaca. This lake is in South America, and now they are popularly known as Caballitos de Totora. Okay, it's little reed horses. Okay, and are still used to ferry passengers. It is used to carry the passengers and goods. So the answer will be what? Caballitos de Totora. Caballitos de Totora. Okay. Now number B is what? The wheels were discovered around. This question was in question answers also, around Which 4500 BCE, 5000 BCE, 3500 BCE and 6000 BCE? Yes, the answer is 3500 BCE. Then comes the third one. Metro train helps. Train helps in what? The movement of large number of people, mass movement of goods, mass movement of animals and mass movement of food. Yes, the correct answer is the movement of large number of people. The movement of large number of people. Number D is what? Reed boats are one of the most ancient means of transport on Lake Titicaca. And in, where is Lake Titicaca? India, South America, Africa or Tibet? Yes, it is in South America. South America. Now the fifth one is the United Arab Emirates UAE may use tugboats to what? Tow wheels, tow icebergs, tow submarines or tow an octopus. This is also in page number 24. It is in fact file. The United Arab Emirates has plans to tow iceberg. They had planned for to tow iceberg to its coast. Okay, to take away icebergs from Antarctica to its coast using what? Tugboats, so that the problem of drinking water can be solved. Okay. So the answer is what? Tow. To tow what? To tow icebergs to solve the problem of drinking water. Then question number 2 is fill in the blanks. I am writing short form FIB. FIB means fill in the blanks. Number 1 is in order to carry goods, dash and dash are used on the land. What are used to carry goods? Trucks, and the other is goods train. Number B, it is always better to use a dash to visit your friend who lives half a kilometer away. Your friend is there who lives half a kilometer away from your home. So what will you use to go there? It is better to use bicycle, just to avoid pollution. Number C, most motorized vehicles use what? They use petroleum. Then number D is to go across big deserts. It is best to use which transport? Yes, air transport. Number E is long ago people dashed to gather food. To gather food, how do the people what do the people do to gather food? They walked, because there was no means of transport long ago. Now the third question is write true or false. First is we should always walk to nearby places. What should we do to go nearby places? We should always walk. So this one is true. Then number 2 is road transport causes minimum pollution. No, it causes maximum pollution. So this one is false. C is water transport is a cheaper means of transport. Yes, it is a cheaper means of transport. So it is also true. Then number D is we cannot travel to the moon. Can we travel to the moon? No, this is also this is also true. We cannot travel to the moon. Only astronauts can travel to the moon. Number E is container ships are used to transport bulky goods. Yes, this one is also true. Container ships are used to transport bulky goods. Bulky goods means heavy goods. Question number 4 is match the column. Now you have to match the column. First is astronauts. So the answer is no pollution. Spacecrafts, yes. Astronaut, spacecrafts. Spacecrafts. Then next number 2 is bicycle. Bicycle first, no pollution. Yes, bicycle causes no pollution. You have to match these answers. The question that I'm dictating you to the answers I have written. Okay, match. Number 3 is wheel. Wheel is what? Fastest means of transport. 3500 BCE or mass movement of people. Yes, it was discovered around 3500 BCE. Then fourth is metro trains. Metro trains what? Fastest means of transport or mass movement of people? Yes, for the mass movement of people, metro trains are used. Mass movement of people. Then number 5 is air transport. Air transport is what? Fastest means of transport. Fastest means of transport. Then comes question number 5. This is unscramble the following words to find names of different means of transportation. Now few letters are jumbled here and this will make a meaningful word which is related to the means of transportation. So you have to identify which means of transportation is this. First is A. I am writing the short unscramble them only. Okay. Unscramble them. You will write. You don't have to write. It is already written in the book. So number A is NACOE. Which means of transport is this? This is what? Canoe. Yes, this is canoe. I told you this is a light narrow boat. It is written in capital. All the letters are written in capital. That's why I am also writing in capital and you also have to write in capital. Canoe is a what? Narrow, light boat which travel by using paddle. Okay. Now number B is TROME. Which means of transportation is this? This is metro. Yes, this is metro. So METRO, metro. Number C is TOAB. Very simple. This is very simple. Yes, this is boat. BOAT, boat. Now number D is RAINT. Which means of transportation is this? This is train. Yes. TRAIN, train. Now comes number E. HSPI. This is also very simple. HSIP is ship. SHI. Now number F is ARC. This is very simple. 3-letter word which is the means of transport. Yes, this is CAR. Car. Then comes SUB. SUB is also 3-letter word. This is bus. BUS, bus. Then comes number H. NEPALAREO. NEPALAREO. This is aeroplane. Yes. AERO, arrow. PLANE, plane, aeroplane. Now number I is KRUCT. This is truck. TRUCK, truck. Then comes J1, CLECYIB. This is what? Bicycle. BICYCLE, bicycle. Then comes the K1 and the last is L1. K is what? TOMORABOT. This is motor boat. So MOTOR, motor, and BOAT, boat, motor boat. Then comes the last one, ELIHPETCOR. This is helicopter. HELI, heli, COPTER, helicopter. So today we have finished with all the exercises of the book also. So you have to complete all the exercises in book and do the homework as given in the in this assignment. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.